Hey everyone, long time no see. I was busy with work and so I had no time to make a video, but now there is an upgrade and I want to show you that. So last time I showed you my portfolio from Paper Republic, and now I want to show you, let's make it clear like so. So this was the self-made portfolio, and you see it's already pretty much broken. So I decided to invest in a new portfolio from Paper Republic. It's custom made, it's called Atelier, and it's done by Steffi. She's a designer artist at Paper Republic in Vienna, and gladly I'm from Vienna, so I can directly go there and ask for help. And I gave her the construction from do-it-yourself from Supernote, and she did me this amazing portfolio. So what is there? It's the magnets you can buy at Supernote, and a pen loop and midnight blue cover letter, and that's it. So it fits perfectly in, and it's durable. It's leather, so it will hold longer than the old version, which I maybe will keep because of the magnets, but otherwise I think I'm gonna smash it. Did its job for not even 6 months, so I think this holds much longer. So that's why I invested in it. And you know that I'm a minimalist, and if I buy something it should hold for a long period. So then I did another upgrade because I really like the collaboration LAMY and Supernote. So I did my own LAMY pen because I like this simple version. It's almost the same size like the standard pen from Supernote. It's actually almost the same size. And I got this do-it-yourself inlay of the pen, and it works pretty well. So let's see, cancel. Let's get me some note. Let's go to bullets. Yeah, works pretty nice. I can show you the construction. Well, this goes in out, this doesn't, so this is something what I couldn't find out. I also didn't find any help on Reddit so far, but I think it's nice. I will use it. I like the colors inside with the green, but it doesn't move in when I click, which is sad. But this is the construction. I did some rubber for cables on top of the metal. Then I did the old plastic loop from a other pen, and then I added this transparent, it's soft, tube, which is mostly for water, to the pen. And this is the size of the LAMY insert, and this was the top of the LAMY insert, this little pen, so it actually fits in what's the name of it, in there. Okay, so and then I had to change the size of this tube from the front because it was too narrow. This was done by scraping it with scissors like this. This took me a while, so maybe and then I took this to smoothen it out. There's a little bit dirt, so. And that was the construction. I'm pretty happy about the first version. Maybe I will do a second one where it really disappears inside the pen, so it's covered and not getting broken. But so far I think it's nice. This is the new setup now. Goes a bit in like this. And beautiful. There was also the idea that I make a loop around it, but I think I will just use something like this if I want to carry it by myself alone without my portfolio, and can cover it up like this. Or I just take another rubber. I just like it that it's so simple, right? And yeah, then it fits also perfectly in there. Can do this. Done. Huh? Mostly I use the pen not outside here, only if I'd carried a little portfolio with me. And I put it just there. And this is the new setup. Pretty awesome. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you next time with more updates. If you have any questions, leave me a comment down below. If you have any ideas how to fix the pen, I would also be happy about that, so leave me also a comment. Otherwise, I wish you a nice weekend or week. Depends on when you watch my video. So, see ya. Bye.